What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, if you didn't already watch like the side skirt video, this is actually a we're same day. We're actually just doing the test pipe so it doesn't get clogged with one video. So if you guys are here trying to learn how to install a test pipe, you can just come straight to this video. But if you want to watch the other video where we install the J's Racing carbon side skirts, you can. A little bit trickier than like a normal side skirt, but really it wasn't too bad. Just giving you like some tips on how to make it a little bit cleaner, a little flush. But there it is. That's how it looks. So we got carbon APR front splitter with the J's Racing side skirt. So the carbon weave is about equal with it, but I wanted something a little bit more cleaner. And since I'm going with J's Racing pretty much everything, I kind of kept the same flow. So just to get you up to speed, I've got a J's Racing full titanium exhaust. I think this is the 60 RS, whichever one is catted. I got the catted one because I didn't want it to drone versus the catless one. Plus I got a really good deal with that. I did end up going with the straight test pipe. So this is the uncatted version. They give you a bunch of hardware, and what Patrick is doing is he's trying to take off the stock mid pipe, I guess is what we're gonna call this thing.
Cat, yeah.
Or cat, whatever. Yeah, there's a little piece down there, little center piece. So that's what we're doing right now. That was loud. Sorry. But yeah, so far we are going to do this. Comes with two bung holes. I think one gets covered, yeah, and then the O2 sensor goes in the other one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Comes with everything. Yeah, sweet. So this install is pretty straightforward. This will make the car a little bit louder. You don't need a tune with this. You shouldn't need a tune, at least when I say that. To make any gains, you will need a tune. I'm gonna get the car tuned once I get the header installed. I'm gonna go with a J's Racing header. So once I get that in, as you guys know, most car parts are taking forever to come in. The side skirt actually took about 9 months for me to get. So it was like, took forever. I'm not gonna lie. Same thing with my wheels. The work wheels took forever. Everything takes forever. So yeah, I said once we get the old cat off, we'll do the new one. And that one's held in by 14 mil, right?
Yeah.
So 14 mils hold the
and 12s.
One. So it's 14 and 12.
Speaking of, is it 12 socket out there?
No, you need it. You need a, you want a wrench?
No, socket.
Okay, I'll be back.
Where not? Oh no, they're right there.
Oh. I'm blind, dude.
And to get the O2 sensor out, it's way bigger than anything. We're gonna need like
So need a wrench?
Adjustable wrench, yeah, which is a sin. But I grabbed your biggest flare nut, which is an 18, and it's much bigger than that. So.
Well, that's a, oh, this is an 18, and it's bigger than the 18.
Yeah.
I got. Let's see.
Like a 20.
All right, guys. So we had to go to the store to get a O2 sensor socket. So basically, it has a little notch for the wire and everything like that, and then you can put your regular attachment or extension or whatever you want to use. But yeah, we just went and grabbed one, and we should finish soon, hopefully.
Should.
As long as it
That top bolt
comes
off.
off. Yeah. We got some PB Blaster too. Oh, you're in the service?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Thank me.
Are you a seaman?
I wish.
Oh.
Usually just when I'm drunk.
Ah, so you're a sailor. I love sailors.
Who doesn't?
My mom. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is it coming off?
It will. It's kind of tight.
That's how I like it.
I think I'm at the wrong angle too.
Oh. Do you need my muscles?
Yeah, I don't want to hurt your back though. So.
My back though.
Got it.
Oh, you got it. Oh. Hopefully that other bolt comes out. So, just so you guys know, all apparently all O2 sensors are 22 mil. I never actually knew that. You know, every time I had to take off an O2 sensor, it was like a pain in the in Hector's rectum, and had to use like some weird method to get it off. So now that we have a tool, we can take off further future O2 sensors, because we do that a lot, actually, more than I would like to with all the vehicles that we're doing. We're gonna work on the hatch soon, hopefully.
Get her back to
maybe an RA block.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
20G RA block, 350 wheel.
And then I'll buy it off you.
At that rate, at that point, I'm not gonna fucking sell it. Yeah, I would. 18 grand.
Yeah, I would buy it for that.
I wouldn't charge you that much. Let's try.
All right. What else? What do you need?
See if this PB Blaster did. Oh, the gun in my hatch.
Where'd you put the gun at?
It's in the hatch. And then
You need you said
I think
this one? 14? 14?
Right now. See if it did anything.
Hopefully that's it. Remind me that I need to torque down the wheels. We can't forget.
Yeah.
We're gonna go down the road and both wheels will just fly off.
Weird. Come on.
Got it? Alright, let me go get the
That was so disappointing. That was so disappointing.
I thought it was like a CTSV
yeah.
or something. It's a fucking Cherokee. All right, back to the show. So this is the stock Cat.
That was so disappointing. That was so disappointing.
I thought it was like a CTSV
yeah.
or something. It's a fucking Cherokee. All right, back to the show. So this is the stock Cat. Okay, I don't know why I stopped recording, but anyways, this is the factory Cat. A lot heavier, a lot bigger versus the J's Racing. You're probably saving about 10-pound difference here. Plus you don't have all the restriction. So we got 2 holes. I mean, it comes with the fucking, what do you call it? Bung. So we're gonna cover butt plug. So we're gonna cover one, and then the O2 sensor is gonna go in this one. And it comes with fresh hardware, so we're gonna put new hardware, new gasket on. As you can see, old crusties. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Find that other nut.
Right here, that one.
Yeah, the other one.
Oh.
There somewhere.
Right there.
Anti-seize.
Yeah. What size this thing is? Do it when I have 2 hands. Anyways, this thing looks like freaking fresh, so this looks so good. But yeah. All right, so we're gonna use anti-seize for the, you know, for all the bolts and everything like that. That's it. So out with the old, in with the new.
Oh, we should have done like an exhaust before and after.
I thought about that, but we had already taken off everything. Sorry guys, but
there should be video.
I mean, I have a bunch of other videos. Go watch those so we can get like more views, and then watch this one. That'd be cool. Nobody cares. Nobody's gonna watch. There's like 20 people watching.
This is for us to watch later in life.
Yeah,
that's really it.
Yeah, 10 years from now, there's gonna be like 40 views instead of 20.
They're gonna be from us.
It's just from us rewatching the video. Hey, look at us. How stupid we are doing this. What are you doing? Just put in another one.
We're seeing if there's somehow different threads, because it's not really wanting to go.
Yeah, because you gotta use the lube and then tighten it. You're like trying to put it in dry.
I did.
What size was that?
19.
This thing is super freaking heavy. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna show the video of us putting it on. Should be like, well, we'll install it and then clean it up a little bit. It's probably gonna
get dirty anyway.
No, it's probably gonna look like sick when it heats up.
It's not tie though, it's stainless, right?
So still looks cool.
It's gonna turn gold, not blue.
So
True.
I like gold. I love gold.
Got gold. Okay.
All right, what do we need now?
Just my motivation to get back under the car.
All right. You need a little push?
Unless you want, no.
Nah, I don't have a shirt on.
Anything to not work, huh?
Well, I mean, I'm the cameraman. You're the face of the video.
It's your car.
You're the face of the show.
Shut up.
You want to drive it?
Yeah, true. Grease those up for it. Make yourself.
What do I got to do?
Just dab some anti-seize on.
I don't know what anti-seize is.
Yeah. Stick it on your fingers. See what happens.
That's why I like to use gloves. You like the finger. Never mind. Oh yeah, just hit the carbon. Oh my god, doing this with one finger sucks. I'm gonna go put gloves on for real. All right, guys, we're pretty much finished. Got everything buttoned up down there. Now we're just cleaning up. So, like I said, old cat is here. You're gonna save about 10 pounds just doing that. Install.
Huh?
Start
it and I can feel to see any exhaust leaks.
Yeah, all right.
Should be, yeah.
What fit? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you fit in the brides? It yet. All right, no exhaust leaks. Yeah. Yep. Oh, oh yeah. I'll do it with my hand. Do you want to hear it? It's got way
get more rasp, definitely. I want to hear under load. Yeah, me too. We're gonna do that, right?
Woo!
Ready?
Rippy tippy, rip it. Yeah. Stop touching stuff with your fingers. You got crap all on it. Messing up the ceramic coat.
On what?
I don't know.
On the start button?
All right.
Drop it and...
Drop it and clean it up. Oh, we got to tighten the back. Yeah. All right. All right, doing some exhaust clips for you guys. For whoever's watching.
I'll do one, like 1 to 2. I'll go like a 1, 2, 3 with a downshift down to second, and then I'll do like a drive-by kind of higher up in the, not like redline it, but.
Yeah, you know how to drive stick?
Not really.
Just dump the clutch. Ugh. Sounds so good. Oh. Ooh. Little snap, crackle, pop. And he's gone. Oh, here it comes. Alright guys, so it's definitely a little bit louder than what it was before. I didn't want the car too loud, but sounds like it's opening up. Here it comes. Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah. Doesn't exhaust clip, just focuses on the looks.
It looks and sounds good. It finally sounds how it looks. Still recording. Woo! All right, guys, that's it for the for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the install and little drive by with the test pipe. And if you guys want more videos and things like that in the future, go ahead and like and subscribe. I got like a bunch more coming. I have a bunch of parts for the other car that I bought. So like I said, I'm just waiting to take delivery of that car, and it's gonna be good. Like, it's gonna be real good. So yeah, so just follow us, like and subscribe, like I said. So peace out, see you guys in the next one.